Hello. So, by mistake, if you clicked on this topic, now stop it. So, we are going to design your portfolio website, right? You should be ready with the content of your website. So, what you should do is stop here and take your resume and upload in the ChatGPT. If not ChatGPT, take the help of ChatGPT or Perplexity or Copilot or DeepSeek or whatever AI is comfortable for, whichever AI. So yeah, upload your resume. Ask that, for example, ChatGPT. Ask the ChatGPT to give the content for your portfolio website, and the pages are like about me, my education, my experience, and contact us page. Just give the prompt to give content for these four pages, because we need to upload good content, and after completing this we are going to give the link of this website to your LinkedIn. Okay, and for sure it is give a lot of weight for your LinkedIn profile also. So stop here now. Open the chat GPT and be ready with the content, and open the next topic. Okay.